Your Lordship, if I may ask you, does the question of corruption in judiciary worry you? First of all, is there corruption? Is there significant corruption?
There is allegations of corruption. We do not know exactly what facts are there sometimes, because some allegations we hear from some quarters. That worries. Even the allegations itself is a worrying thing. Not that actual some judges about some people. Allegations are there. I don't say that no. We are free from if there is corruption or not. I can't say.
So Justice Verma had said on the day of his retirement, he said there is corruption. There is no point getting away from it. We have to handle it. We have to deal with it. Do you agree with that view? That some of it is there.
There are allegations of corruption.
Right.
That may be true or may not be true. But I cannot say the percentage of corruption.
Right. No, the percentage obviously will be very low. Because even the Prime Minister has expressed concern on this now.
It is really a worrying thing, because the people come to court and get justice when they feel that the justice is being purchased, at least in a few cases.
Right.
That is really a worrying thing. Right. It should not happen. People should have free, independent, impartial the judicial system.
So where do you stand on the current debate on how to tackle judicial corruption? There is a bill, but there are various solutions that various institutions have.
It is very difficult to detect corruption, especially in judiciary. It is sometimes the corruption may be in areas which is not detectable at all.
Right.
But if there is such allegations, then the traditional way of this impeachment and all, as everybody knows,
that's very complicated.
Very complicated. Sometimes it is not possible to detect. And
the last time it happened, politics won.
Really also reading.
Sir, you know we are on the website judgesplot.com about the midday.
Sorry, I won't.
You would not do.
I won't.
Okay. Upon the Delhi High Court judgment at least.
No, sorry.
Okay. One of the questions we pose electronically, why not citizenship number is given for every citizen so that we realizes of the crimes of specific the crimes being committed are already.
My speech, and we are happy that the local ayuktas of different states have been able to.
Seems that controversy never seems to end. Now, the other big story, are judges public servants, and if so, do they fall within the mandate of the Right to Information Act? A few weeks after he said that his office was beyond the scope of the Act, the Chief Justice of India offered some explanations.
In fact, in an exclusive interview to Neha Khanna, Justice Balakrishna said that while judges were indeed public servants, the issue of whether they could or could not be questioned under the mandate of the Right to Information Act was essentially a matter of interpretation.
Sir, a few weeks back you made a remark that triggered a nationwide debate. You said that judges are constitutional authorities and are perhaps not within the purview of the RTI Act. So would you want to clarify your views on that?
No, what I said was, as per the definition of public authority in the RTI Act, the Chief Justice or the judges may not come. It's a question of interpretation. So if somebody says that it comes, all right, they don't. But the judges are public servants. I have absolutely no doubt that the judges are whether public servants or not. Judges are public servants.
People are repeatedly referring to the 1991 ruling of the Supreme Court which describes judges as public servants, and so recently a parliamentary panel has said that judges do come within the purview of the RTI. How do you respond to that?
All debatable questions. The public servant earlier decision is correct, we don't dispute that.
Soon after the CJI's earlier remarks that his office was outside the purview of the RTI, a parliamentary panel report contested that claim. The report said that all public servants, including judges, can be asked to disclose information under RTI. In fact, other judicial experts are also unhappy with the Chief Justice's earlier remarks.
While on the one hand, the Supreme Court and the High Court sermonize about the right to information being a fundamental right, part of the right to free speech, etc., force even election candidates who are not even public servants to disclose their assets. But on the other hand, when it comes to themselves, they are not willing to part with any information whatsoever. The Right to Information Act expressly defines public authority to include all offices and authorities created by the Constitution.
Now with the Chief Justice of India softening his stance and stating that whether judges are within the purview of the RTI Act is debatable, there is perhaps hope that some kind of a middle path can be found. In New Delhi with camera person Saptarishi, Neha Khanna for NDT.